Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is Project Netra. So this particular project is concerned about space debris. So what is the space debris? Space debris could be floating particles from dead satellites or rocket parts that stay in orbit for many years. So even a speck of a paint or a fragment floating can disable onboard electronics and cripples the satellite. That is why space debris is a huge issue. Now Project Netra is one such project concerning the management of this space debris. So ISRO initiates this Project Netra. It stands for Network for Space Object Tracking and Analysis. It is nothing but an early warning system to safeguard Indian space assets from debris. So if we have any debris that is crossing the path of a satellite, this Project Netra stands as the first line of defense in protecting our space assets. So this Project Netra also serves as an unstated warning against even missiles also, or even space attack for the country. So it is an all-in-one safeguarding mechanism. So under this project, ISRO plans to put up many observational facilities that can spot, track and catalog objects as small as 10 centimeters and up to a range of 3400 kilometers and equal to a space of around 2000 kilometers. So the significance of this project is it gives India its own capability without depending on anyone else. It also ensures that space situational awareness or SSA is given to India. So obviously, like we have already discussed, it predicts threats. So this space situational awareness will be the first for low Earth orbits or LEO. So what are these low Earth orbits? Please comment in the comment section below. So these have remote sensing spacecrafts. Basically, since they are very close to the Earth, and that is the reason they are called low Earth orbits, remote sensing spacecrafts will be protected by this Project Netra. And Netra's eventual goal is to capture the geostationary orbit, which is the highest or the farthest point a satellite can be placed. Mostly communication satellites will operate from this space. So currently there are 15 uh, Indian communication satellites in the geostationary orbit at a height of 36,000 kilometers, 13 in LEO and 8 in medium Earth orbits. Let us have a look at this. Project Netra is a early warning system to safeguard Indian space assets from debris. So this is a right statement. It is a project of DRDO. Now this is a false statement because this is a project of ISRO, and Ministry of Earth Sciences is also not involved in this. So only one is the answer. Now please pause the video and post your answer in the comment section below along with an explanation. That's it for this video. If you haven't watched the previous video on Gemini and Gagan, please go back and watch that video and come back and answer the question here along with an explanation. That's it for this video. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos.